Hey my beauties, it is Cece, your frugal goddess. I'm coming to you today with BoxyCharm. So you guys know, if you follow me for a while, you know that I used to subscribe to Ipsy. Well, I don't even remember why I let my Ipsy subscription go. It was probably during the time that Stanley had lost his job, and you know, I could have found something better to do with $10 a month. Because I did have a few monthly subscriptions, and I remember during that time I let a few of them go just because, like I said, I could have found something to do with the money. Because you know, you could buy a $10 pack of ground beef and it will go a long way. So anyway, a girl from my job, she told me about BoxyCharm. And she was telling me I get X amount of full-size items. I don't remember how many she told me. But it's $20 a month, okay? So, if I get 2 full-size items for $20 a month, I feel like I'm winning. And they're supposed to be all name brand items. So, y'all know I feel like I'm winning. And it's like a surprise every month. I did not open the package. So, we are doing this together. So yeah, y'all get the up close and personal review. Now you do know, if you saw my review of this unit, yes y'all, I love this hair. I'm really liking this hair. If you saw my review of this unit, you know my camera's acting crazy. I'm either going to wind up getting a tablet that I will be filming on, or I'm going to replace this phone with a different one. But either way, like I said, my camera's acting crazy, so y'all just bear with me. We will try to make this work. So this says Boxy and Chill. And let me just take these off so I ain't got to be looking over them looking crazy. Okay, I got a leave-in conditioner spray, which that is going to be the bomb for my other wig that I'm reviewing. Ooh, I got... Okay. So, the whole thing fell down. Y'all know how life works around here. Okay, y'all, I'm probably going to cut that. The thing fell that's holding my phone. Then it went to Bixby on my phone. Yeah, it had a whole breakdown. So, anywho, now I'm trying to read the card upside down, y'all. Yeah, I need to go take a nap. I got to work tonight anyway. But I got an Ophir lipstick. I got a Tarte eyeshadow palette. I got a Starlooks long wear eye pencil. And I got a coupon for a free gift with purchase of $75 or more. I probably, And then I got a Dewy Luminous Skin Face Mask. And I would probably do that because I have really been doing some mask and stuff on my face. Because, y'all, when I first started working, like, your girl was tired. I was, woo. I'm still tired, but you know, I'm slowly adjusting to working. And literally, when I first started, I was working like on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I was working a full work week. Like I was getting anywhere from 36 to 40 some hours on just on those 3 days. So your girl was broke down. I was wore out. And I was neglecting my skin. And y'all know I'm too old for that. I'm sorry. I don't mean no harm. But I'm too old to be neglecting my skin. Y'all, let me... Come here, Kai. Come here. Y'all, look at my grandbaby. He is so cute. I love him. Look at him. Look at my grandbaby. Say hi. Ooh, y'all. I see why he looking like that. This young man smells like he's about 60 years old. Kai, go find your mama. Go find your mama. Go let her know that you got some serious issues going on. But y'all, that's my grandbaby, okay? But anyway, let me get going on this. This is Lumineer Primer, Pores No More. Ooh, y'all know I need this. This is by Dr. Bryant. But this is a luminous primer. Okay, it says Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Okay, so let's see what it do. Oh, it's got a little color to it too. I could use this for my under eye and everything. Let's see, y'all. Okay, y'all can pour it. Oh, okay. No, y'all like, Cece, if you don't get your big face out the camera. Hold on, y'all. I got to go take my man to get fixed up because he ain't right. And he's in here floating around. And I don't want him out there like that. I don't want him out there bad. So I'm going to be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all. So this is the primer. I don't know what it did. I don't think it got rid of the little pores, but I'm working on that with some masks and stuff. I've been doing the nose strips, and I got some face strips. But we will see, because I'm going to show you what did I do with it. Because I set it down. My man was smelling like death, y'all. So let's read what it says it does. It says, okay, so it's supposed to go, use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for flawless application AM and PM. So, yeah, if I put makeup over this, it's probably like a pore filler. Like, what is that one? Y'all know what it is. It's a pore filler, and you get it over the counter. Walmart sells it. So I'm finna put this right up here. If I could fit it into one of my squares on my makeup stand, I'm putting that right there, y'all, because that's gonna be a part of my daily routine. This is the, I'm not gonna assassinate that name. Can y'all see that name? Wait, there it is. And it's a leave-in conditioning spray. And so I would definitely be using this with a unit I'm getting ready to order. It is a kinky curly 360 frontal wig. And so I will be using that with this. So y'all stay tuned for the complete review of this in the review of the wig. When you see kinky curly 360 frontal review, this will be entered. Okay, so this is the lippy. Y'all, I like this. Long-lasting lipstick, Havana Lights. It's by Hofra. I got a lipstick on, but we're going to put a little bit of this on there. Let's see. Oh, yes. Now I like this. And y'all see how little bit I just put on? A little bit of this goes a long way. I would have this until doomsday. And I guess the color is the Havana Lights. This is the color. And I don't know if I have a BoxyCharm link, but if I find out I have one, I will definitely link it down below in the beauty bar. If not, you guys, I will link my co-worker's link in the beauty bar down below. Y'all, I am in love. If y'all know me, y'all know I love blingy, just over-the-top stuff. Look at this. Oh, you know who I saw this on? I saw this on, oh my goodness. I can't think of her name. I'm going to annotate her name right here. Black China Bear, I think. I'm going to annotate her name right here. But look at this. Do y'all see this? This is so beautiful. Like, I love this. I would use this as an eyeshadow and a highlight palette. What I do with the little thing that goes in here? I don't know what I did with it, but I'm going to close this back up. But y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is beautiful. I can't wait to get playing this. And it's got all the names on here. And so I will post some makeup looks on Instagram whenever I get a chance to do them, y'all. But I will post some on Instagram. Instagram and Facebook. Y'all know me. This is the Star Looks. This is an eye pencil. And it says it's ultra black. So it's just a black eyebrow pencil or eyeliner. It's by starlooks.com. I'm not even going to open this. We all know what black eyeliner looks like, okay? If it's super spectacular, like if it works, amazing. Y'all check out my Instagram. I will link my Instagram down below, but check out my Instagram within the next couple of weeks, and the review of it will be on there. And these are the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and these are made in Japan. And so it's the mask that's like on that paper. And I will be doing these probably on Monday, because that's when my week kind of ends unless I choose to work on Mondays. But I will do these on Monday. or Tuesday, and I will let you know on my Wednesday wig review how it worked out. It might be some clips, before and after clips in there of the review. So yes, this is my BoxyCharm. My BoxyCharm what I received, and I'm very satisfied. I feel like I received $20 worth of stuff, so I'm okay with that. And I'm supposed to get some free full-size items. I don't know if they're included in this box or what, but yeah, I am very satisfied with my BoxyCharm box. Oh, this is a some eye looks you could do with the Tarte palette. So I'm pretty sure the Tarte palette by itself. Okay, they say the lipstick was a retail value at $20. The Tarte palette was retail value at $36. So I got my money's worth. I'm cool. I'm very satisfied. If, like I said, I will link all the links down below. I will put any information in the beauty bar. I will also put the review to this wig in the beauty bar. I need to try to put some, I had bumped some curls in it earlier, but I mean, I did it with the flat iron, and y'all know me and the flat iron don't get along too well. So I will include, though, a little video here of me at IHOP playing with the wig, and you know. But anyway, if you want to see the review of this unit, please click on the link down below, or click on the right here, right there. It'll be right up there in the beauty bar. With that, I want you to have a beautiful, blessed day. I want you to remember to be your own kind of beautiful, and tell somebody you love them. Later.